All right, let's see what was in this amazing pack. So it comes out of this box. Everything is in this little cute carrying case. There's so much in here, it's amazing. First of all, black and blue. I mean, black and blue, pink and blue. My favorite color combination. So when I saw this, so you get explanation of everything, but if you are already done reupholstering and crafts and stuff, you won't need it. Just want to show you some of the stuff. Always need a flat head screwdriver. See, and if I didn't have all these other toys, I would always use one of these to get under and remove the staples. You don't need to do this, but this will definitely fit most of the screws. And then if you do have a Phelps screws to take off the whatever you need to reupholster, you got that too. So you got two really good screwdrivers. We got the cutest little hammer. This has some weight to it, yet it's small enough, portable, so you can pull nails on this side and hammer in if you need to hammer in your staples or whatever you need to hammer in. Then you get, look at this, isn't it the cutest? You get a 16 feet, 5 meter tape measure with a clip. Oh, I mean, I see these are not cheap. If it's a good quality, this seems to be good quality. And of course, very important, needle nose pliers. We all need them when we do reupholstery, because one staple, sometimes we just put it in to just see, and then we have to take it back out. So we could use this and a screwdriver, or they give us this little tool, which I think is a staple remover tool. So I'm not exactly sure how this works, but I figure you take this staple out with this. I'm gonna read. Okay, so you get a what's it called? Not an angle coil. I just had it. Jesus, what is it called? Leveler. Yes, leveler. You get a level tool, so you can always make sure when you cut, whatever you cut is straight. We have here our pink cloth. If you are working with light cloth or really dirty, dingy chair, and you just don't want to muck up the fabric, I can see these come in handy. Then this is the gun itself, and this one does have heft to it. I can already tell. See, it is a good quality one. I checked the staples out already. See the size of the staples? These are perfect because you do not have to hammer them in. If you use staples that are too big, you most likely have to help and hammer them in. So then if you get this, oh yeah, you get. I've tried these out already. These are very sharp scissors. You always have to have a good pair of scissors. Yeah, this comes with blades, replacement blades. Make sure you get that all in. Okay, the replacement blades are right here. Put that back in. We already reviewed the 2 screwdrivers. Put that back in. The cute hammer, so cute. Then you use this. Okay, Now, I guess I have to read up what this really is for, but I think it's a staple remover to make it easy. I'm so used to using a screwdriver and needle nose pliers, so this may be just what I needed. Then, yeah, we got the needle nose pliers. The staples come in here. And then we got this little tool, which, oops, sorry, okay, this is the wrong side. So here, open it. So, I don't know, I think you can use it as a scraper, as a cutter. It is, it comes with replacement blades and these little holders, as you can see, and it is, I think, see, from both sides. I don't know if you can slide another one in there, another blade, or just use the side if you want to scrape something, which is, I don't know. We'll see. See, because you get these and then these, but they're also, don't know, I'm speechless, but I needed this tool last weekend so badly. I ended up using my fingernails. No, they're so short. So, okay, let's put that back on before we put it away. So, always be careful. Don't have this around children. Don't have any of this around children. Always make sure you put this away. We got, how many staples we get? 900 pieces of these staples. Still in this little box, which is also really nice. Yeah, took one out already. And yeah, the staple gun is just nice for female hands, for small hands. Oh. And I think with a couple of uses, this is gonna be, yeah, it's already getting easier. So I like this very much. Oh my gosh, I wish I would have had this last weekend. Okay, so staple gun needs to be closed here and then put back in. You get the gist. Everything fits in its place. Put all this level up and staple gun. I just have to close it. One moment. Sorry. Okay. So now staple gun closed again. Fits in here. Close. Staple. These things that I have to figure out. And close it back up. And now you're ready for your next upholstery project. I should have really waited and taken a video, but this is awesome. Just because, you know, oh, here it explains what is it? Staple remover. Oh yeah, see, told you. The anti-slip rubber handle aiming at nails, reducing damage quickly, extracting nails from furniture, floor, wooden boxes, cardboard boxes. Oh yeah. So what is that? The storage box. What is this? Oh yeah, this tells you just how to load the staple gun. Gosh, this is gonna be the longest video ever, but I'm just so amazed that you get this much for this little. So yeah, so you got the mini hammer, mini sheep horn hammer, sheep horn hammer, really? Seriously? Measuring tape, high quality steel cutting utility knife. Then tells you how to replace the blades. You get extra blades. The scissors I already tried. They're really good. They cut pretty much through everything. I tried on cardboard, on paper, and double head. Yeah, it's a scraper. Yeah, that's what I thought, and that's what I. Oh yeah, see this side where I wasn't sure. That's for scraping, you know, stuff that you know, it's easily to scrape, and then the other one is with the single-edged metal blade, can remove stubborn stains for oil stains, scorch spills. Well, I just love, and I can't imagine. I mean, I just can't wrap my head around how much you get. And then all in this little box, in this little bag, everything seems to be of good quality and made for a woman's hand. It's awesome.